Traders were very excited. Adobe, everybody knows it. It was a great buy. Boy, we pumped it all the way up, but we reported the earnings and we bought the put options on Adobe. And we're going to go ahead and review them. The 590 puts, you can see there was four of them bought. That was us. Um, Down here, so these are going to be very valuable. They go out till November 15th. Okay, trader, by knowing Adobe my whole life, we're breaking below some key moving averages on this downside right now. Oh, yes, we are. If you take a look at the 200-day, that's at 544, and we're below it right now. We're at 540, so we're, almost $4 below that 200-day. Then we have the 150, and then we have the 100 down here below. We can see the momentum has changed drastically with this downside movement, and the price is right here, right now. It's live. It's perfect for you to learn about the earnings season. And this is at the tail end, and we're continuing to go lower, but it's live and it's here, it's now. All the moving averages are violation right now, going downward. That makes our short, the value go skyrocketing.